presenting the Nissan 2017 Titan XDS Crew Cab Pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are convenience and utility package, 6-speaker system, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system, radio, NissanConnect with mobile apps, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.